I think this time around, although these cases may be serious in terms of numbers, the impact on the market would be limited because people can now more clearly see that the vaccinations are working. The people who are getting vaccinated, they themselves are not having these problems more or less anywhere in the world, or that the decline in those numbers is very high. So therefore, now it's more a matter of taking personal precautions, but looking 3 4 months ahead, where a large number of at least city dwellers can have vaccination, and therefore I think this will not have a serious market impact, only because the end otherwise is quite visible. And the confidence in the end is coming from the fact that although we are seeing second wave and third wave cases around the world, nobody is really reporting that the people who have got fully vaccinated are having a large number of cases, or that those cases end up in hospitals and stuff like that. Therefore, it's now a matter of a number of months, let's say 3 4 5 months. And markets may be short term, but they can discount that much ahead, I think.
Right. So what is your portfolio strategy at this time? Because your fund, of course, was nominated as the best India fund by Eureka Hedge for a few number of years. And so I wonder, how would you approach the markets? Because one sense out there is a large part of the easy gains have already been made and the road gets tougher from here.
Oh, that is absolutely true, because the market is not supposed to make you easy gains, but it is supposed to make you fair gains. And the point is that we have broadly done well over life because of not changing our strategy with everything. There are only 3 or 4 big picture themes that have worked in India and that mostly work around the world. And these in India, say, for example, private sector financials, where they have taken market share from state owned banks and state-owned companies, and generally because India is underbanked, underfinanced, etc. Now, once in a while, some state-owned companies may also do well, but broadly, it has been an easy game. The second game has been that demographics in India are very attractive, and therefore, instead of even concentrating on the market of 1.3 billion people, you look at a market of 300 400 million middle class, and look at products and services that are underpenetrated even in that subsegment. And third is that India really started the IT movement in terms of outsourcing. And that has worked all along the years, because these companies have long history and generally done well. And we are able to vicariously participate in the US tech sector by buying these guys who help those US companies. So, in general, the thing is these 3 4 themes, which is financials, consumer, and tech, move. And then over time, because of these lockdowns or not having lockdowns, or having some financial crisis or not having, you play around the edges or be short.